Right. So, good evening, all of you guys. Can I start now? So now let us start a new pattern. A new pattern that is first one guys, then one two, then one two three, then one two three four, 1 2 3 4 5. Right, all of you. Right. So now first one, right, one next. This is what already over actually. It is already over, but here extra is there. So here 1 2 1, 1 2 1, right. Next here 1 2, here 1 2 3, and here 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, all of you, right? Like so if you observe here again, it's like which one palindrome, right? So 1 2 1, 1 2 3, 1 2, sorry, not palindrome guys, it's not palindrome, right? Okay, so 1 2 3, 1 2, next 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4, 5, 1 2 3 4, all of you, right? So it's a new pattern. Let us try this format, guys. We'll try this format. Okay, so the same I copy from here. Right. So this one, first one, I equal to 1, I equal to 2, I equal to 3, I equal to 4, then I equal to 5. Right. So when I is 1, all of observe here, when I is 1, J repeating only one time, right? Only one time. When I is 1, J repeating only one time. When I is 2, you can observe here, J repeating how many times, all of you? J repeating 3 times, right? 3 times. Okay. And when I is 3, you can see 5 times is there. When I is 4, when I is 4, we can observe here how many times, 7 times, and when I is 5, 9 times, right? All of you. So here otherwise we'll do one thing here. Actually this pattern is over, right? All of you observe. So already this pattern is over. This type of pattern is already over, right? Okay. So then I'll take J here. I will take the J here. Then for this one, like for this one, I will take the K, guys. I take here. I will take the K loop. Some means another loop I'll take here. Another loop I'll take here. Right. So this is the I. This is the I, and the J, and this is what? This is another loop. We'll take the K loop. Right. So then now let's see the iterations. All of you will see iterations when I value 1. When I value 1, then what is the J iterations and then K iterations. When I value 1, In I value 1, J iterating how many times, guys? One time, right? But K no iterations. At the time of K no iterations, right? When I value 2, when I value 2, now J iterating how many times? 3 times. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Okay. At that, sorry, 2 times, guys, right? Okay. Just 1, 2 coming, 1, 2 coming, and this one is part of which one? K. K, how many times coming now? One time iterating. So finally, total 3 are there. 1, 2, and 1. Total how many are there? 3 iterations totally whenever I value is 2. Next, when I value 3, then J 1, 2, 3, 3 times, and K 1, 2, 2 times coming. K coming 2 times. When I value 3, when I value 4, J coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times, and then K coming here 1, 2, 3, 3 times. When I value 5, J coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and K how many times iterating? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times iterating, guys. 4 times iterating, right? All of observe. So whenever I value 1, J iterating only one time, then what displaying? That iteration number displaying means J value displaying there. And K no iterations. When I value 2, then J how many times? 2 times. First time, second time. First time, what displaying? 1 displaying here, 1 displaying. And second time, what displaying? 2 displaying there. Means same, the iteration number displaying, that's all. The iteration number displaying K, one time what displaying? One displaying. All of okay, right. So for this one, we'll try a program. I'll open the file. Pattern some 35, right? Pattern 35, right? Same. Let's take the input of enter n number of rows. N number of rows. Let's take here eval, and then we'll take the n. Right. Try in range of how many times guys, starting with 1 and 5 times n plus 1, that is common. Then for j in range of right. So for j in range of all of observe now. Now j how many times here? Only one time, right? That is what I plus 1, right? All of you. Let's take first only j values display and equal to like this. So whenever I value is 1, when I value is 1, then j. So 1 plus 1 2, 2 before 1, starting 1 ending 1. So that means how many times coming here? One time coming. When I value 2, so 2 plus 1 3, 3 before 2, so 1 comma 2 means so 1 next 2, 1 2 coming, guys, right? So 1 2 coming. Next when I value 3, so 3 plus 1 4, 1 1 2 4 means 4 before 3, 1 2 3, so 1 2 3 coming. When I value 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 before 4, so 1 2 3 4. Next when I value 5, then 1 2 3 4 5, that's all, right? And let me print this one. We'll see whether that j part will come or not completely. That j part will come or not. Yes, j part came, guys, right? All of you. That j part came here completely. It came completely, okay, right? Then about the k. So when I value y, when I value 1, k no iterations, right? When I value 1, all of you observe k no iterations. When I value 2, then k starting iterating one time. That means for k in range of, so starting one only, let's take the I guys, for example. We'll take the I. Why I am taking the I means I'll tell you now. So end is what, right? So why I am taking the I means, so here Allah observe what is starting I value 1, right? 1. So 1 comma 1, end value 1, 1 before 0. So no iterations guys here, no iterations because starting value 1, ending value what is there? 0 is there, right? Y0 means only ending value 1, 1 before 0, right? So no iterations. When I value 2, so 1 comma 2, 2 before 1. So 1 to 1 means 1 will come. At that time 1 will come guys. When I value 3, so ending value 3, 3 before 2, so 1, 2 will come. So first time 1, second time 2, 1, 2 will come. When I value 4, 1, 2, 4, 4 before 3, so that means 1, 2, 3 will come. 1, 2, 3 will come. Okay. Next, when I value 4, when I value 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 will come, right? Same guys, first time 1 coming. First time no iterations, right? No iterating first time. Second time just 1 coming. Next time 1, then 2 coming. I am giving the 5. Yes. All of you can observe here guys. The same expected output came. And the same one we can observe one more time. When I value 1, j iterating only one time, that means only one time coming, that means one space coming, that's all, one space coming. K no iteration, right? That's why first time one space, j one time only one space, k no iterations, then go for new line, yes, new line means I value 2 now. I value 2. When I value 2, j, how many times iterating? 2 times iterating. So it's first time j value 1, second time j value 2. So that means first 1 space, then 2 space, right? All of you observe now. 1 space, 2 space. Now j over. Coming to k. So k one time iterating. What is the k value? 1, right? Okay. So k space means 1 space, 1 space. So k loops also over. Then new line. Next print means new line, right? New line. Now it's I value 3. When I value 3, j 3 times iterating. Each time that j will displaying. So 1 space, 2 space, 3 space. So 1 space, 2 space, 3 space. Then j over. K, how many times iterate k now? K iterate 2 times. 1 not 2. So first time 1, 1 space will come. Next time 2, 2 space will come. Like this. So 1 space, 2 space over. After all k loops over, then empty print is there going for the new line. That's all. Now I value 4. When I value 4, j iterating 4 times, each time displaying a iteration number only. First time 1 display, 2 display, 3 display, 4 display. Means 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, 4 space. Because for every after number, space is there, right? That's why 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, 4 space. Space coming means j loops over. Coming to k, how many times k iterate? 3 times. First time, second time, third time means first time 1 display, second time 2 display, third time 3 display means 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, right? So 1 space, 2 space, 3 space. Now all k iterations over, then new empty printer means new line. New line means j value 5. So 5 times j iterates, then 4 times k iterates, all of right. That means 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, 4 space, 5 space, and k 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, 4 space. That's all. And no going for new line now because empty print, right? New line and there's no new I value. Already I value all over, right? That's why the output will display like this. All of you observe now. Is everybody clear this one now? So 5.